Hey guys, it's Kaimi. I want to show you the apartment I stayed when I had my trip to Finland. I booked this apartment with Airbnb website. This is only one room, but because of the height, it made like 2 rooms. So here is like bedroom, and this is kitchen and living room. There is a bathroom. So it's a really nice project for limited space. You could do this project and have like 2 rooms in one. I found this really cool, and I never tried to live in such apartment. That's why I've chosen this one. It's really modern, new. And they use the system when you don't have to disturb any people. You book apartment and the code to access the apartment comes to your phone as a text message. So you use this instead of the key. And for me, as a very antisocial being, this is really plus. So you feel yourself very comfortable, nobody disturbs you. And believe me, this is very important when you travel, to be safe and feel normal.
Got to go. I found a way.